Okay, let's take a look at tutorial 5, question 4. Find the expected gain or loss for a holder of a European call option with some strike price, exercise in 6 months, share price ST on the exercise date is, and we got some different distribution. We got some distribution, £90 with this probability, 96 with this probability, so on and so on. Given that the option is bought for £12, it's financed by a loan at a rate of 10%. Okay, so let's start to extract some of these numbers. So we're working with a call option, giving us the right to buy for 90 quid. The cost of the option is £12. Okay, and we then have some distribution for the share price. So then we have this probability distribution. So we have X can be the various prices of the stock. It could be £90, and we are told, okay, let's have a look. £90, the probability of that is 1/3, and then these other probabilities, I'll highlight them up. Okay, so the probability that the share price at the exercise date equals £90, this is 1/3. Okay, let's get all that information down. It's 96, 98, or 85 with that distribution. Okay, and we need to calculate the expected payoff value, the expected payoff. So let's work out the payoffs on the call option. It's easy enough to do. So different distribution, or the distribution I should say. Okay, let's calculate. So 90 take away 90, 96 take away 90, 98 take away 90, and 85 take away 90. We don't exercise, so 0. Okay, so the expected value of the portfolio at time t, okay, let's call it pi. So we need to calculate all the different values and multiply by the probabilities and take the sum. So this is going to be, there's a 1/3 chance that the value is 0, a 1/3 chance the value is 6, 1/6 of a chance the value is 8, and 1/6 of a chance the value is 0. This is, need to be careful here, I'm not dealing with costs. So this is just the payoff. So the expected payoff is going to be, well, whatever that is. Don't really want to calculate there. It's okay. It's 2 plus 8/6. So that equals 3 and 2/3. So that's the expected payoff before we start to build in any costs. Okay, so now the costs, so we can write this as the profit, the expected profit. So we're going to have this expected value of the portfolio, take away the value of financing the thing. Okay, so how about the costs? The costs are, let's pick a color and find it. Costs are £12. So let's catch up on this again. Given that the option is bought for £12, financed by a loan at an interest rate of 10%. Okay, it doesn't tell us anything about compounding periods here, so I'm just going to assume that it's continuous. Continuous compounding. That's a fair assumption to make. Okay, so we now need to worry about the time value of money. So that £12, we need to compound it to the exercise date. So if we borrow £12 at time 0, then at the exercise date it's going to rise, and the exercise date was 6 months, if I remember right. Yep, 6 months. Okay, that's just there. So the profit, or the expected profit, using this distribution. Okay, so let's calculate the job, crunch the numbers. I believe from a previous calculation I did a while ago that this is a loss of £10 and 615p, or 61.5p. Okay, I think I'm going to finish this off by putting in a box, make it nice and clear, and that completes the question.